Have you ever pondered on the power of digital marketing to skyrocket your business? In the vast expanse of today's digital world, where consumers rely heavily on the internet for everything, from research and networking to making purchasing decisions, digital marketing has become an indispensable tool for business success. If you've been steering your business without the rudder of digital marketing, it's high time to jump on board. There's a multitude of digital marketing strategies to explore. So today we focus on the influential world of influencer marketing, followed by a rundown of 7 other dynamic digital marketing strategies. We'll unwrap each one, providing you with a comprehensive guide on how you can harness their potential to elevate your business. Let's delve into our first strategy, influencer marketing. This strategy hinges on the power of collaboration with individuals who have amassed a significant and engaged following on social media platforms. These individuals, known as influencers, leverage their credibility and influence to endorse a brand's product or services to their audience. Influencer marketing is one of the most potent tools in your digital marketing arsenal. The key to successful influencer marketing lies in partnering with influencers relevant to your industry or niche. This allows you to tap into their audience and gain valuable brand exposure, generate leads and increase sales. But how do you do this effectively? The process involves a few simple important steps. Firstly, you need to identify and select influencers with a substantial and relevant following within your target demographic. These influencers can range from celebrities and industry experts to micro-influencers with a smaller but highly engaged audience. Later in this video, I'll share how you can easily connect with influencers in any industry and negotiate a cost-effective partnership. Next, establish partnerships with these influencers to produce engaging and authentic content that promotes your brand according to your goals and objectives, either to promote your brand or increase sales. This collaboration can take various forms, from sponsored posts and product reviews to exclusive sales or deals. Remember, influencers have a unique bond with their followers, which enhances the impact of your marketing message. So, allow them creative freedom to produce content that aligns with their style and resonates with their audience. This content can include photos, videos, stories, or other formats depending on the social media platform. Finally, measure the effectiveness of your influencer marketing campaigns through key performance indicators, KPIs such as engagement rates, reach, clicks, and conversions. The tools I'm introducing you to in the link below will help you to achieve all these all together in one place, starting from selecting suitable influencers to measuring key performance. Many businesses have successfully scaled using influencer marketing, and yours could be next. Influencer marketing not only allows brands to tap into the trust and authority influencers have built with their followers, but it also provides a targeted avenue for increasing brand awareness and driving consumer action. So where do you find these influencers? There are platforms available that allow you to discover influencers in your industry, negotiate with them, and select the one that best fits your needs and budget. Check out the link in the description for the influencer marketing platform that can set you on the path to business growth. Remember, your digital marketing journey is a marathon, not a sprint. But with the right strategies in place, you're setting the stage for success. So, stay tuned for the next video, where we delve into the world of social proof and its immense benefits for your business. Until then, keep growing, keep evolving, and keep harnessing the power of digital marketing. Like, subscribe to our channel for more valuable videos, and comment by asking questions and sharing your experiences. We will try to reply to your comments.